this video, we are going to talk about the edge detection system, in which we are going to determine the edges of a figure. Okay. So for this, we are going to import the libraries OpenCV, Matplot library, and the NumPy library using these operations. After that, we will read our image using the imread function, and after converting the image from BGR to RGB, here is the result of the original image. Next, we are going to use the Sobel edge detection technique to find the edge of the figure. Okay, so here in this Sobel technique, the first parameter is our image, source image, then depth of the image, that is -1. Then dx is specifying that edge detection system is work along the x-axis and keeping the y-axis 0. And k size is the kernel or the structuring element size, that is 3. Then the result of the Sobel operator is going to store in the GradX, and when we print it using the IMShow operator, our output will be like this. As you can notice in this output, the structuring element only identified the edge along the x-axis. Okay. Now move on to the next. Here we have specified our structuring element to find the edge along the y-axis, keeping the x-axis 0. This time we are keeping the x-axis 0. So our output will be like this. In this, the structuring element move along the y-axis instead of the x-axis. Okay. Now moving further, when we apply our Sobel operator for both x-axis and y-axis using dx1 and dy1, our output will be something like this, which is determining our edge perfectly, but as we can see, it is a little bit containing the negative images also. So in order to remove the negative from the images, we use the cv2.convertScale ABS function to convert the input gradient image to the absolute representation, so that the brightness of the edges could be increased. For this, we are adding the derivatives also. Now, as we can see clearly, when we apply the edge detection system of Sobel operator, it is identifying all the edges along both x and y axis perfectly and neatly, and we are getting all the edges of this image. That's all for edge detection. Thank you.